Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we decided to visit the Schloss Charlottenburg, which means the Charlottenburg Palace. And this is us going. It was a really good day with good weather, and we decided to have a view of the palace, the compound. So enjoy. On this day I couldn't make so much videos because I was really sick and did not have so much energy to make videos, and in fact we didn't even have a full day. We had to cut it short because I felt sick and just needed to go back to the hotel room and rest. So yeah, but we managed to do a few things and I'm just gonna show it to you guys. Hey guys, guten Morgen. So, oh my god, I know I haven't spoken to you guys in a long time, but yeah, so we have come to the end of this vlog, and I'm so happy to have done this with all of you, and I hope that you've enjoyed this vlog so far, and I also hope that you've subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, please kindly do so now. Drop a comment and don't forget to give it a like, and also turn on the notification bell so that when I post new videos you will get the notification. So guys, it's been an amazing vacation. This vacation was to you know, get my mind off a lot of things. I've been really going through some really funny things, you know, been going through it. I'm really happy about it, and my mind is, I am more at peace now, and I'm loving every bit of it. So today is our last day here. We are checking out today. I'm alone right now. Babe has gone to get the car, so I'm just waiting. And over there you see our things are packed, so we are ready to go. It's actually snowing right now. Let me show you guys. It is snowing. Let me show you guys. So this is my window, and you can see there is a lot of snow outside. So yeah. Oh, and that's the Berlin Wall. The Berlin Wall that separated the east from the west.